when it comes to Birchbox because Birchbox. I mean, hey Fays, welcome back. This is Living for the City. I am Sharice. If this is your first time here, welcome. For all of you Philly Johns, hey girl, hey. So this is our monthly unboxing. As you know, we always do a monthly unboxing. We take a break from the city streets. We come inside, we relax, and we do our monthly unboxings. So we have our two favorites here, Birchbox as well as Allure Beauty Box, which I love, both of them. But as you can see, we have a new addition today, LUSH Cosmetics package that has just come in. I don't know if anyone else is as obsessed with LUSH, like bath bombs and shower bombs and bubble bars as I am, but I absolutely love LUSH. And to be quite honest with you, this package is a Mother's Day gift for my mom, and so she better not be watching right now. Anyway, some of the stuff in here is for her, some of it is for me. So, but I figured I'd share it with you today as well. As you can see from the date, it is so late in the month of April, and I wasn't going to do a Birchbox with you this month because there were so many, like, all over social media, there were so many people that were like fed up with Birchbox and were like this isn't gonna be a good box this month. Now, y'all know me. I am probably last man standing when it comes to Birchbox because so there were so many horrible things going on all over the internet about Birchbox because last month you were unable to select your own customized box. And that's one of the things, I'm gonna close this up because that's gonna be a problem. That's one of the things about Birchbox that I absolutely love is the fact that you get to customize your box every month. Like you can pick which box you want. And last month for the month of April, you could not pick. Like you could swap out your box for like one product and that was it. Everybody was like, where's the customization option? Because that is what people love about Birchbox is that you really get to customize your own box. But there wasn't that because they have partnered with an organization, which we're going to talk about in a second, and they were giving out these specialty boxes for the month of April. So everybody was pissed, okay? And I'm looking at this right now. Here's what I got. This is my Birchbox right here, okay? So this is my Birchbox. It usually comes in a box, but it's this. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not even sure what this is like that, like, not plasticky, but, and I think this, okay. Okay. So let's just continue. Let me just pull out for you the actual, I see some really cute stuff in here. So this is what you call a stasher. It's a stasher bag. They are silicone, I'm sorry, that's what it is. These are endlessly reusable silicone alternatives to single-use plastic bags, which, I mean, I absolutely love the idea of them. So you can put them in the dishwasher, you can wash them, you can put them in the microwave, you can put them in the freezer, you can put them in again, the dishwasher, the oven, like you can boil them, like you can do so many things with these reusable silicone bags. As you can see from this, like you can put your makeup products in there, like there's so many things that you can do with this little bag, which I mean, I think it's a great idea. I think it's very cute and different, but people were on fire about this bag. So I don't know what I got in this box because I didn't pick it. Like none of us got to pick our boxes, so I have no idea what is in here. Let's just dig into exactly what we got. I mean, kudos on saving the environment. I am with you, Birchbox, on, you know, being very mindful of the environment. So I'm with you there. I'm still confused as to why I was unable to pick this, because I might have picked it anyway, but I don't know. So anyway, first up on our Birchbox beauty box is Grace and Stella's Rosewater Facial Mist. Ooh, I love that. So I love a facial mist. And this is it right here by Grace and Stella. Calming Rose Spray helps to hydrate, reduce redness, and maintain the skin's pH balance. You spray 10 to 12 inches from the face whenever you need a refresh. Once you're finished, you can reuse the spray bottle with any of your favorite spray products. So let's quickly give this a try. Oh, it's really cute. A cute little bottle. All right, and it just says to spray 4 to 5 sprays onto the face with your eyes closed before or after your makeup. Before or after your makeup. So let's try it. You ready? Here we go. Oof! Oh, it smells so good. I'm all wet now, but oh wow. It smells really yummy. Oh my God, you guys, it smells really pretty. I think I've told you this before. I'm like the only person who loves rose. I love rose. Anyway, it smells good and it's very refreshing and cool. I like this. Next up is the Magnitone London WipeOut Swipes. Eco-friendly microfibrose makeup remover pads. Okay, not bad. These will remove the toughest long wear makeup with just warm water. You wet the swipe and use it in a circular motion to gently wipe away your makeup. Use it 1,000 times and you just put it in your normal laundry. I've seen these before and I think I have, oh, there's 2 in here. Really cute. There's 2 in the pack. You just wet them and then you wipe the makeup off your face. I have a couple of these, you know, like pink microfiber cloths. I have the, oh, these are really soft though. These are softer than the other ones. Oh my God. Next by PAYOT is a Hydra 24 Cream Glacee, whatever that is. And this is a silky rich cream moisturizer that melts into the skin for 24-hour hydration. You apply it all over your face after cleansing in the morning or in the evening. Love that. Okay. All right, Birchbox. You're redeeming yourself here. Next by Re.fil. It's a refillable beauty balm. Oh, cute. Oh, look at that. Wow. There you go. That's cute. Let's see what it says. Not just plain lip balm, this is your multi-use balm for anything. Plus it's refillable, made with a natural blend of oils, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, hydrates and conditions dry skin, helps promote skin barrier function, leaves your protective layer that's light and soft. You can apply to your lips, your cuticles, any dry patches you have on your body. Ooh, nice. Cool beans. And then last but not least by VITAMASQUES. Ooh, I love it. Oh, this feels juicy. This feels juicy, baby. Okay, Miss Juicy, baby. Detox Leafy Green Sustainable Sheet Mask. I love it. Detox Leafy Greens. It's a sustainable sheet mask, biodegradable, detoxifies and purifies all in one use. Nice. And then you got this nice little sustainable and reusable silicone pouch. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with this. I really don't know what to do with it, to be quite honest with you, but I'll figure it out. That is everything from my Birchbox faves. Very nice. I'm impressed. Listen, I love Birchbox. They actually did a really good job here. Surprisingly enough, I was a little nervous from the fact that I couldn't pick anything out myself because, you know, I was getting nervous. I like to pick my own stuff out. But they did a good job. So thanks, Birchbox. Sorry we all gave you such a hard time because I know I did. I actually emailed them and was like, what is this? Why can't I pick my own box? Let's move on over to Allure right quick. Let's move over to Allure right quick. You know Allure. From the beauty experts. Okay. I'm so excited about this box already. Okay, here we go. This is my Allure box. Whole bunch of stuff going on in there. Let's see. First up is 111 skin. How do you say it? 111 skin, 111, 111 skin. Anyway, it is this. Working to improve dull and lax skin. It's a highly concentrated booster targeting signs of hyperpigmentation and irregular skin tone by helping to reduce and prevent discoloration. The result is brighter skin with enhanced luminosity. I love it. This is the packaging for it. Very nice. I'm digging it. Very nice. And it's a little dropper, I'm guessing. I won't open it, but it's a little dropper. Next up is the Eyeko Double Act Shadow Stick. So there's a dawn side and a dusk side. And it is a shadow stick. Nice. Okay. All right, okay. Very nice. Oh, look, it's the pencil for the, it's the sharpener for the Eyeko. Oh, nice of them. So this goes with this. It's to sharpen your pencil, your shadow pencil. Next up by B.glen is a Clay Wash Mild Facial Cleanser. This is a small little sample here. Gently dissolves a day's worth of dirt and impurities with our Breakout Busting Natural Clay Wash. Very nice. I love clay washes. Okay. Next up by Pixi. I love Pixi. Oh, it is a lip glow. Nice. It's a lip balm. Tinted lip balm, which is perfect for spring and summer, right? Because you want to keep your lips moisturized. I know I do in the spring and the summer, especially. Okay. So this is the color. This is a, oh, this is nice. Nice. Try it on my hand. Oh, nice. Oh, very pretty, subtle color. Very pretty and subtle. This will be perfect. Perfect for spring and summer. By Pixi. Lip glow. Likey. Next up by Ahava. It is a mineral hand cream. Nice. Luxurious, rich hand cream that drenches your skin in a velvety smoothness. You apply it liberally at any time, and it's approved for sensitive skin. So let us, I thought it would have been a little thing on there. Let me try it out. But this is the packaging of it. And, ooh, oh, this is nice. It's like a thicker one. It smells amazing. What is that scent? I don't know what that is. This guy says it has a cream cheese frosting texture, and that is so right. It almost smells minerally, but it smells good. But it says that it's Dead Sea water, so I don't know if that is what I'm smelling. Oh God, it smells really good, but I can't even describe for you what that fragrance is. And then finally, I got a Mudmasky is the name of it. Mudmasky Serum. It is an infused eye mask. It reduces dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin, and swelling. This is always good to have in the morning after you've been up all night. Very fancy. Thank you, Allure. I'm excited about these. So let's talk about this LUSH Cosmetics package we got here. Again, this is for Mother's Day, so this really isn't something. It's not a subscription box, but it smells like heaven, just so you know. But I got this, I was buying a couple things for my mom for Mother's Day, and I saw a couple of other things that I wanted to give myself a try, so I figured, what the heck, let's just do it. It smells so good. It smells like a bathtub. This is how the packaging comes. Tons of peanuts inside. Okay, all right, so let's see what we got here, because I don't even remember. I ordered this not too long ago, but I still don't even remember what I got. A fancy LUSH. So my mom is absolutely loves bubble baths. She's like the only person who's still is taking bubble baths in this world. But anyway, and first up I got her it's called Pop in the Bath Bubble Bar. So she likes actual bubble baths. So these are actually bubble bars that you run under the water. You crush them up under the water and they create mounds and mounds of bubbles. And the first one is this Pop in the Bath Bubble Bar. Bergamot oil, Sicilian lemon oil, orange flower absolute, and red mandarin oil. So that can tell you, that gives you any indication of what that baby smells like. It smells amazing. So yes. I also got her the light bulb moment, which is a light bulb. So this is grapefruit oil, rosemary oil, and geranium oil. Oh, I like that one. It's a light bulb. Very nice. Also got her one that I really kind of wanted for myself, and that is the strawberry foam. So some of them came in these little bags. That's interesting. I wonder why. Is it because they don't have the packaging for them? Yes, that is why. Ooh, it smells amazing. I'm gonna touch it though. This is the strawberry foam bubble bar. And it's like a little strawberry. Oh my God, so cute. Look at that, so cute, little strawberry. And this is just as a strawberry fragrance. And I got her this other one, which I've seen a million times. It's the Twilight bubble bar. And you've probably seen, oh my God, this one smells good. Ooh, here it is. Again, bubble bar. You run them under the water and they create bubbles. And this is lavender. Oh wow, that smells amazing. It smells just like lavender. There's a couple other oils in there, but all I can smell on that one, the main fragrance on that one is lavender. So these are really, really nice. And then I got her a tin to put them in. So after you finish with your bubble bar, since you don't use them all at one time, you like break a piece off and then run it under the water, depending upon how much bubbleage you want. I got her like a little thingy to put the rest of it in. And then I got myself a shower balm. Isn't that cute? This is a cute little shower balm that you just throw into your shower. And it like steams up, and I love them. They're absolutely amazing. And the fragrance on that one is black currant, fresh raspberries, and bergamot oil. So that should be nice. And then last but not least, I got myself a shower scrub. I have been addicted to shower scrubs as of late. Okay, here we go. I don't even know what I'm smelling. It just smells so amazing. It's kind of soupy, so I don't want to, hopefully you can see that. Oh my God, that smells incredible. All right, Faye, so that is my unboxings for the month of April. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below which one of these products you are the most interested in, and what got your attention the most, be it the Birchbox, Allure Beauty, or these LUSH products that I'm really excited to try for my mom to try for Mother's Day. I will detail everything in the description box below for you. So if you want to gift a 3-month subscription for Birchbox, feel free to do that. I'll have a discount link for you just below. Or how about you just get one for yourself? If you are not already subscribed to this channel, hit that little red button below for me. Thank you so much. And then you can head on over to my Instagram page for my day-to-day highlights there at living_for_the_city. You can also like me on Facebook at Living for the City 77. Until next time, bye.